Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how I do my packaging. So as you can see here, I have the logo, and this is sort of the cheapest way to ship the product. So I'll show you how I do my packaging, and I have different products. I do masks, hoodies, t-shirts. So I'll show you hoodies and t-shirts and masks. First, I do all my stickers. So this way I save time. I order 5,000 together, and then I tag with every product. I use this lockers, which helps me lock the products without using a gun. So it saves a lot of time and energy. So first, I've done one here, as you can see. So first I'll take the hoodie, and then this poly mailer fits about 2 hoodies, and at times 3 as well, depending on the size. So I'll put the hoodie with it. Usually I like to put some extra stuff if I have it, but currently I don't. I'll probably give away a free mask if anyone orders 2-3 hoodies, because who doesn't love extra goodies, right? So I'll pack it, and then I'll use the poly mailer, and then it's ready to ship. Now when you ship a product like this, it doesn't look professional, right? It doesn't look that nice. So what I do is I take out one sticker and then I paste it, and here I have my package is ready to ship. Okay, now for the mask. So I'll show you how I use this. So this is a 10% discount card. When you order, you get this, and then a logo at the back. So I use this string and I attach it to any product that I use, right? So as you can see, I have a mask here. Someone ordered the mask. So I'll open it. I'll use this string, and then when you lock it, you just insert it, and boom, done. It takes less than a second to do this. Now this makes your product branded, right? It lifts your product. Here, put it inside. Nice and smooth. I have this, and the same way, same process, and then put a sticker, and the package is branded. So this doesn't look that cheap, but it's still showing that, you know, it's a brand. It's not from any other store. They can probably use this sticker and paste it somewhere. So ideally, or you can do is take the sticker out and put it inside so they can paste it. But what I've noticed is no one really uses these stickers for other purposes. So it's better to just brand it, so when they receive it, they have an experience. They know it's from your company, right? 2 products here ready to ship for masks and for hoodies. And that's how I ship my packaging. Alright guys, if you liked this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, add to a Facebook group, follow me on Instagram for a free session, and I'll be happy to help.